Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. So the first thing we'll have to do is to go to the YouTube app, and we'll have to choose the video that we want to share, and I'm going to copy the link to that video. So I'm going to select the three dots right here, and I'm going to hit the share button and then copy link. So right now I'm going to my Instagram account, and I'm going to post a new story right here. Okay, so I'm going to select from my gallery, let's say this photo right here, and then what I'm going to do is select the sticker icon right here, and I'm going to search for the link, and right here we can insert the link that we have copied earlier, and I can customize that right here, and I can just type in Quick Solution, or you can type in whatever you want and then hit done. So this is our link right here, the YouTube link that we copied and we want to share to our story. So right now we have to post the story, and this is pretty much it. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.